Alright, Ford Fiesta ST owners, I'm going to show you how to replace, fix the clicking sound from inside your glove box here. And it's called a door blend actuator. And it's like 16 bucks to fix, real easy. So I'm going to make it quick and show you how. First, pop this open. I didn't put this back in correctly, but there's two tabs here on either side. You push them aside towards the inside as you're squeezing it. The whole door flips out. This is the unit right here. If you're looking right here is the unit. You pull this tab back and push down here. Plug comes out. Unscrew that screw and that screw, and this whole unit comes off. Replace it. It's a gear inside that unit that has busted a tooth, and just replace the whole unit. It's like 16 bucks. Once you get the unit, just follow the instructions in reverse and enjoy your new AC working again.